In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments in Canva, a feature that can be incredibly useful for collaboration. Whether you're working on a solo project and want to keep notes for later reference, or if you're teaming up with others and need a way to share feedback directly on your designs, Canva makes it easy. Let's dive right in. First, ensure that you have your design open in Canva. Once you're in, you need to look towards the top right of your screen. You'll see a small icon that represents messages. This icon often looks like a chat bubble, which is indicative of its function, communication. Clicking this message icon is your first step in accessing the commenting feature. Remember, if you're collaborating with others, this message icon allows you to exchange thoughts right within your design, saving you from juggling different communication platforms. After clicking on the message icon, a small drop down or sidebar will appear. Here you'll find an option labeled Add Comment. Click on that to proceed. This straightforward step provides you with the platform to input your comments directly onto the design. It's an intuitive process designed to be easily accessible and user-friendly, so even if you're new to Canva, this step shouldn't present any major hurdles. Now that you have the comment window open, it's time to type your comment. This is where you share your insights, suggestions, or feedback. Whether you have a minor note about color selection, a suggestion for text placement, or even a compliment on the design's visual appeal, type it all out here. If you're working collaboratively, this feature can be invaluable. It keeps communication organized and tied directly to the visual elements you're discussing. This means no more puzzled emails trying to describe which part of the design you're referring to. Once you've typed your comment, make sure to hit the enter or return key to post it. This step is sometimes overlooked but crucial. If you don't press enter, your comment might not be saved or visible to others, which can lead to misunderstandings or overlooked feedback. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully added a comment in Canva. It's an efficient way to ensure that all team members are on the same page and that your projects can evolve with everyone's input neatly logged and easily visible. Hopefully this quick guide helps enhance your Canva experience and streamlines your collaborative efforts. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to check out other tutorials. Happy designing!